this video, I'm going to show you how to download CV templates for free. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing, comment, and like the video. To get started, first of all, launch your Google Chrome. Then go to search and search for cvgenius.com. Then enter. Then you scroll down. Now you will select the second link here. This is the official website, cvgenius.com. Now click on the link. So it will land you here on their homepage. So on their homepage here, you are going to see these options at the top here. So you will select CV. Then you will come to best CV format for 2025. Click on it. Then it will land you here. So you will need to scroll down. Then you will be able to see the formats here. So if you scroll down, you will see this format here. Then you will see a link to download the format just below the format. And there are also other more formats at the bottom here. Just scroll down and you will be able to see them. So you will choose the one that you prefer. So I'm going to choose this one. Then click on download this CV format. Then as you can see, it has already downloaded. Now you will go to the file location. Then expand this. Then you will extract. Then you will open the file. Then go to recent graduate format example. Then you are going to see it here in form of Word. So you are just going to open it. So as you can see, the file has opened in Word. So I'm going to enlarge this one. Then you can enable editing. Then you can enlarge this. Then here you can be able to edit this file. So you can just write your name. Then here you can enter your email. And for personal statement, you can also edit and write yours. Then once you've done, you will now click on File. Then go to Save As. Then you will go to, you will save it on the desktop. I'm going to save it on the desktop. Then you can enter, you can now write your name. Then under Save As Type, you are going to click that drop down. Then you are going to select PDF. Then Save. Then you will now go to where you have saved the file on the desktop. It is here. So I'm going to open it. As you can see, it is here. So that's it, guys. That's how to download free templates. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.